Hi guys, I was searching for the best Chatgpt application which can also be accessed or purchased by any person or any category of people and also be the best. Behold, I found it. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the best Chatgpt application for Android which has every features you need in Chatgpt. There are many Chatgpt applications which may look or seem like good Chatgpt application. This channel is based on giving you the best of every guide you need in technology. So subscribe and hit the bell icon. Here is it. Name: Chatgpt/AI chat AI friend. What makes this Chatgpt application unique? 1. Topics where you can ask questions based on the genes. 2. It has AI art. 3. It has character AI. It is also affordable by any person. How? Like I don't have money to buy subscription. There is another way. Just watch it as to purchase credit to use it. See how. How to download it. If you want to read up and also download it, there is a link in the description section below. Or you want to watch and know what is Chatgpt, click at the next video.